The atmosphere is tense and hopeful. A long road has led to this exciting morning where medical history is finally being made. Research, dedication, long nights. The work of many people is paying off. A collective breath is held. Each surgeon selects the perfect tool. The cuts must be precise if today's procedure will be successful. The surgical team is now preparing. They are keenly aware of the responsibility in front of them. Working steadily, they are soon successful. Sweat is wiped away. The end is in sight. Now the patient is ready to grow towards an even brighter future. Everyone is ready to celebrate. Many people have helped bring us here today, and we look forward to learning more together.